everyone, and welcome to my maths lesson today. We are learning all about 10 frames. So here is my 10 frame. Can anybody remember why they're called a 10 frame? Why do we call this a 10 frame? That's right, it's because it's got 10 spaces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right, it's got 10 spaces. It's got 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom. What do we know about 5 and 5, boys and girls? That's right, it makes 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. Well done. So our 10 frame tells us lots and lots about our numbers, doesn't it? So I hope you've got your 10 frames ready at home. You should have your piece of paper and lots and lots and lots of objects. So you might have some Lego characters, or you might have little bits of Play-Doh or some biscuits to put in. I can't wait to see on the Evidence Me what you have chosen as your ones today. Because remember, we call these things, I've got my counters on here because I'm working on the screen, but we call these ones that we put into our egg frame, don't we? Because they represent one thing. Okay, so I'm going to put some numbers into my 10 frame, and I wonder if you can help me and tell me what numbers I have got. Are you ready? Let me put some in. Let's have a look. How many are in my 10 frame? Let's count, should we? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 in my 10 frame. And look, there's 1 space on the top. That means that 4 is 1 less than 5. So if we have 5 and we put 1 away, that means we have 4. Okay, let's get clear my 10 frame. Now I'm going to put another number in my 10 frame. I wonder if you can tell me what it is. I'm going to keep going. So how many are there now? The top row is all full. That's right, that means there's 5 in there. We should know that without counting. When the top row is full, there are 5. Right, I'm going to keep going. There we go. How many have I got in my 10 frame? Let's have a look. So we had 5 on the top row, and how many on the bottom row? That's right, 3. 5 and 3. Should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. That means that a 5 and a 3 makes 8. 5 and 3 makes 8. Super. That means that how many ones have I got in my 10 frame there? How many counters have I had to put in? That's right, it's 8. So we've got 8 ones, and a 5 and a 3 makes 8. Do you notice there's also 2 gaps? We'll talk about that a little bit more later, but that means how many left to get to 10, doesn't it? Well done. So now that I've had a little go on my 10 frame, I wondered if you could have a go on yours. Can you put into your 10 frame the number 6? Go and put 6 into your 10 frame. Get all your counters together. Think about your top row. How many are on your top row? Keep going, well done. Remember, you need to have 6. A 5 and a 1 makes 6. Let's have a look at mine. I will have a go now. Hopefully you have done yours at home. So, my top row, I've got my green counters, haven't I? We need to have, oh, what's happened there? Clear that. So I've got 6, remember, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top row is full, there's 5. 5 and 1 makes 6. Got one more. I've got my different colour on the bottom row, haven't I? We always put one colour on the top row and a different colour on the bottom row so we can tell the difference between the rows, can't we? And we can add them together. So 5 and a 1 makes 6. Can you show me that on your fingers? 5 on one hand and a 1 on the other, you have got 6 all together. Well done, that was a great one. Are you ready for the next question? This time, can you put 10 into your 10 frame? Quick, 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 go, go, go. Number 10. Well done. Are you nearly finished? What do we need to do to put 10 into our 10 frame? That's right, well done. We could just fill it all up. We've got to fill all of it up because it's got 10 spaces, so if we need to put 10 ones in there, we just fill it all up. Let me get mine filled. Hopefully you have yours filled at home. You could take some pictures and send them to us. We'd love to see those. Can you see my egg box, my 10 frame, is now full. How many on the top row? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5 on the bottom row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 makes 10. Well done, boys and girls. Let's have another go, boys and girls. This time, can you put the number 9 into your egg box? Off you go, the number 9. Count them all in. Well done. I'll give you a minute and then I'm going to do mine on my screen. So remember, it's the number 9. Right, let's have a look. Here we go. I've got my 10 frame here. I remember, what is the number that I need to put in my egg box? Number 9, well done. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 in my red colour. I'm going to change my colour now because it's the bottom row. We have different colours on the top to a different colour on the bottom. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 altogether in my 10 frame there. Can you tell me how many 1s have we put into the 10 frame? That's right, 9. Well done. What else can you tell me about the number 9? Which numbers make it? So how many red have we got? Remember, when the top row is full, that means there's 5. We could count them to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 4 makes 9. Well done, let's do that again. 5 and 4 makes 9. Super duper, well done. Now, I'm going to add one more to my 10 frame. So we had 9, I've added one more. How many have we got now? It's all full. That's right, it means there's 10. So 9 and 1 more is 10. 1 more than 9 is 10. Well done. When it's full, we know that it's 10. Can you see how many red are there? On the top row, there are 5. On the bottom row, there are 5. 5 and 5 makes 10. Well done. To do one more together before you go off and do this activity with your grown-ups. So this time, please can you put the number 5 into your egg box? Put the number 5. Off you go. Well done, keep going. Number 5. I'm going to do it on mine now. Can you help me? Well done. So for number 5, we need to count them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 there, I counted them. Or, a quicker way, I could have just filled my top row, couldn't I? Now, they are all red. I quite fancy changing some of mine, so let's see if we can change some of them. So I know that my top row needs to be full. But I've changed some. So I have got some red and some green. How many red have I got? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3. I've got 3 red and how many green? 2 green. 3 and 2 makes 5. There's 5 all together, isn't there? 3 and 2 makes 5. Well done. So as you can see, your 10 frame is telling us lots and lots and lots about the number. It tells us how many ones is it. This one has got 5 ones in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It tells us how to make a number. So which 2 numbers make number 5? We've got a 3 and a 2 makes 5. And it just tells us lots about that number. So now, boys and girls, you need to go off with your grown-ups, and your grown-ups are going to tell you what number to put in your 10 frame. So turn your listening ears on carefully. And when they tell you to put a number in your 10 frame, that's what you need to go and do. So have fun, enjoy, and we will see you soon.